floor, we have our parlor where a lot of girls spend time doing homework or just hanging out with friends. I know when I lived in the house, I loved coming and sitting on those couches, whether it be doing homework or just sitting around talking. This is definitely one of my favorite places in the house. So now we're going to go to a hall and see some of our rooms. This is what a typical room in the house looks like. Rooms usually have 2 people, or you can opt out and choose to go single. Our house is currently built so we can have 59 girls live in, including our president who gets her own room. And then this is just another setup in the house. This is actually the room I lived in when I lived here, so kind of sentimental. And here is one of our lounge rooms. On these boards back here, we have just pictures of our girls in our chapter doing different things. And now we're going to go downstairs, which has our kitchen, chapter room, and lunchroom. And then here's our chapter council, so if you ever want to get involved with leadership options, there's a ton. And then here we usually have an updated calendar with everything going on in Kappa. Now we're about to enter our kitchen. Our in-house girls usually enjoy meals down here. And it's a great place to also study and just hang out with your sisters. Over here we have our various lockers with Miss Monmouth, which is where we dedicate a section to one sister who's deserving of the week, who's just outstanding in our chapter. And then back here we have all of the books that we collect to donate to Reading is Fundamental, which is our philanthropy. This is also our pink room, and in here we have different places you can study. There's also a room just like this upstairs called the green room. And then last on our house tour is going to be our chapter room. Our chapter room is really special because we do a lot of different things in here. We have a chapter, and then we also have tables so girls can come down here and do homework or just hang out with their friends. Thanks for stopping by.